Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Expedia app on your mobile device. In this case I'm using an iPhone and it's going to be downloaded through the App Store, but if you're using an Android, go to the Google Play Store and download from there. So as I said, I'm using iPhone. I'm going to press the App Store, this blue button on my homepage, and then go down to the bottom right page, the search page, and start typing in Expedia. Press search, and then from there it's this yellow button. I'm going to skip past the first advert and then go to the yellow app, the Expedia Travel Hotel Flight app. And as you can see, there's a cloud icon, a blue cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. That just means that you've already downloaded this app in the past on this device or on this account. So if you have not downloaded this before, it will say a button that has 3 letters GET, the Get button. Either way, press the cloud icon or press the Get button and it's going to start downloading the app. And you can see the progress of the app with the blue ring around the circle. Once the blue ring completes all the way around the circle, that means that the app has downloaded successfully on this device. And so from there, guys, the App Store basically allows us to actually open up the app. Once it has been downloaded, it will give us the option to press the Open button and that will launch the app. Press into there. Expedia is now going to run, and we care about your privacy. I always press accept for these. Allow Expedia to track your activity across other companies' apps and websites. Press allow, because that will give us tailored advertisements to what we actually find interesting in the future, either on social media or when you're browsing on Google or whatever. So sign in for an instant saving. I'm going to press the top left X button just to X out of there. I'm going to press not now for the notifications. And there we go, guys. This is the Expedia app. It says, hi traveler. Do you want to book stays in hotels or flights, cars, packages, things to do? If you want to sign into your account, you can go down to the bottom right, the account section, and press sign in. You can use the same sort of login details that you use for Expedia, hotels.com, Verbo, bookings.com, all of these other things. And if you just want to start searching for, let's say, different stays, you can go in here, go to going to, the dates for when you want to actually travel, how many people will be traveling in your room, and then from there, press search, and it will start giving you some different options for your travels. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, leave them down below in the comments section. Thank you.